Hi dear friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'll be trading using the Bollinger Band indicator, but mainly I'll be basing my trades on technical analysis because technical analysis is the basis of any trade. And also I'll be looking at the indicator signals and trying to find very good entry points and making very good profit. So I'm asking you to stay tuned until the end of the video so that you can be able to learn something new, so that you can be able to go back in your free time and be able to practice and also be able to make very good profit. So if you have any questions, if you would like to interact with me, or if you would like to receive my trading signals, I'm asking you to go under this video. There is a link. That link is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to my private chat in Telegram channel. You can be able to ask your questions, you can comment, interact with the other members of the group, use my trading signals to make very good profit, and also you'll be updated on the current news going on in the binary world. So if you would like to support my channel, I'm asking you to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification button, and also don't forget to share this video. So let me get started. So I'll be trading with the Bollinger Band indicator, combining it with technical analysis. I love using this Bollinger Band indicator because it helps to determine the approximate borders of the price and also the approximate range of the price. So I'll be using this indicator, combining it with technical analysis, meaning I'll be looking at how prices are approaching different levels on the market. So I want to show you how to use this indicator, interpret it, and also make very good profit. This indicator has already been activated, and I would like to remind you the signal to open a trade. As you can see here on the chart, this is the upper and lower bands, and you can see that this is the moving averages between them. For example, when it is a downtrend, the price will primarily move in the lower zone of the indicator, and thus the moving average is the resistance line, and price will be bouncing from it and moving down, and thus we can understand the borders of the price range. When it's also the uptrend, the price moves mainly in the upper zone of the indicator, and the moving average here is the support line, and the price bounces from it and moves up. Another example also is when it's the side movement. The price will be bouncing from the upper and also from the lower bands of the indicator, and also we can be able to understand the price range from here. We can also see other patterns on the market as well. For example, when price goes beyond the indicator and the situation indicates that after the impulsive exit of the indicator zone, there'll be the reaction, which is the correction movement, and the pullback in the opposite direction will happen. And if you catch such situations, it's very good to make profit on such situations because most of them repeat themselves on the market, and they are usually very similar, and they also follow usually the same rule. So you have to remember, as I said at the beginning of the video, that all indicators are just auxiliary tools for technical analysis. So you have to carry out technical analysis to avoid making errors, especially these indicators. Some of them give very bad errors and you can be able to make losses. So you need to follow technical analysis and then you'll be able to get the best result. So let me find my first entry point for today. So here you can see the support level, and you also can notice that price has been trending very impulsively. Hence I opened a trade for 1 minute because I'm sure that after this one-way movement there will be a reaction and price will get to the correction zone, and this will be the pullback up from the level of support and the lower border. You can also see that the price is starting to pull back up, and 1 minute will be enough for this. So let me wait and see the results. So analyzing this trade, you can see price go to the correction movement here. There was the pullback up and I got my profit. So 1 minute was enough. So let me go on. Well, here we have the downtrend. Price touched the support level and pulled back up to the upper band of the indicator, and there was a reaction from it. And you can also see that the price maximum is getting lower. Hence I'm going to enter the market with a downtrend for 2 minutes, and I'm sure that the price will trend down to the level and the breakthrough may happen here. But let me wait and see how it works out. So analyzing this trade, you can see now that the price trended down and broke this level through, and here I got very amazing profit. So here I worked out the approach to the level and the breakthrough of the level. So let me find my next entry point. So here we have the situation where price impulsively moved down and went beyond the indicator display. And right now you can see that this is the green candlestick appearing, and I'm going to enter the market with an up trade for 1 minute, because I think that after such an impulsive movement there has to be a correction movement, which will be the pullback up, and the indicator is showing us the lower band of this price pullback, and I think this time will be enough for this. Analyzing the situation, price got to the correction zone and I got the profit here again. So from the lower band of the indicator there was a reaction and price pulled back up. So let me continue. Well, here we have the support level, and also at the moment this is a very good downward movement and the price is approaching the support level. So I entered the market with a down trade for 2 minutes, and I suppose that this down trade will continue to the level of support because this is a very good downside potential, and price has been moving in the lower zone of this indicator, and this signals a good one-way movement. But let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, you can see after the movement down, price really went back up. It went close to the moving average, bounced from it and moved down. So I worked out the situation quite well. So let me find my next entry point. Well, here we can see the price went beyond the indicator display, and this is the impulsive green candlestick, and I'll enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute. And you can see that the price is showing the red candlestick, and it means that the price will get to the correction zone and it will be a pullback down, and you will have a similar situation, and 1 minute will usually be enough for this trade. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, there was the reaction and price really bounced down, and I had enough time for this trade. So this 1 minute was enough for this, and I got very good profit. So let me go on. So looking at this, you can see I really decided to wait a bit on this currency pair, because you can see that after the pullback down, the price trended up with impulsive green candlesticks and went beyond the indicator display, and the price stopped now, hence why I opened the trade down, because I guess that there will be a pullback down here again, especially after such an impulsive trade up. So let me wait and see how the situation works itself out. So as you can see, I got very good profit from this trade, and as we saw, I worked out the correction movement. So let me go on with another trade. Here you can see the resistance level at the moment, and this level was broken through, and now the price went beyond the indicator. And here, this is a very impulsive green candlestick. You see price stopped here. So I'm going to open a trade here for 1 minute down, because such impulsive movement, there has to be a reaction from the upper border, which will be the pullback down. So price got to the correction movement, and you can see that there was the pullback down, and I got very good profit, and this was the correction movement after the breakthrough of the level. You can see that now my balance is $9,600, and I want to find the last trade for today. So here we have the resistance level, and you can notice price has been trading in the upper zone of the indicator, and this is a continuation happening. You can see the red candlestick is appearing, and I guess that there will be a reaction. So here I'm going to enter the market with a down trade for 1 minute, because I think there will be a pullback down from the upper band of this indicator. So let me wait and see the results of this trade. So analyzing this trade, price got to the correction zone, and this was the pullback down, and I got very good profit here. You can see that now my balance is almost $14,000, and I really hit my goal for today. So I'd like to stop here for today. So that was great. I was able to make very good profit for today. I hit my goal for today, and I'm very glad I was able to use this Bollinger Band indicator to find very good entry points. But of course, I wasn't only relying on it. I was looking at technical analysis first, because it's the basis of any trade, and I advise you to always follow this advice so you can be able to practice in your own time and also get very good profit. So if you have questions concerning today's trade, or if you have any other question, I'm ready and willing to answer all your questions. Just write me with the code word MONEYTEAM and send this code word to link under the description box. The link is a link to my personal chat. I'll add it to my private chat. You can join, ask your questions. You can also receive my trading signals and also interact with the other members of the group. So I'm asking you to support this channel by giving it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when there's a new video up. So until next time, bye bye.